Manta network has taken the crypto world by storm, soaring in value by 90% within a mere 2 months. In this video, we explore the secrets behind Manta's popularity and discover why this token has become one of the gems of investment portfolios in 2024. My name is Anna, let's roll! Manta Network is a modular blockchain tailored for zero-knowledge applications, providing a robust infrastructure for privacy-focused solutions. Within this ecosystem, Manta Pacific emerges as a modular Layer 2 chain designed specifically for EVM-native ZK and decentralized applications, prioritizing cost-effectiveness and user experience. How does it achieve this? Through the ingenious integration of Manta's universal circuits and Celeste's data availability, Manta Pacific unleashes the full potential of ZK technology. Gas fees? A thing of the past. With enhanced modularity and reduced costs, ZK-enabled applications operate effortlessly within this visionary environment. But Manta Network is not just a single entity. It comprises two networks. Manta Pacific, a unique network based on ZK rollup technology serving as a Layer 2 solution for scaling the Ethereum network. It operates with support from the Ethereum virtual machine. Manta Atlantic, the fastest Level 2 network based on Polkadot and ZK technologies. This network offers identifiers and credentials in Web3 using ZK SBT. What's under the hood? Let's talk about features. Generalized ZK. Manta Pacific offers a set of generalized ZK circuits, providing developers with tools to create applications with ZK support. Own profitability. Manta token profitability support is based on Ethereum and USDC. Permissionless usage. The Manta Network project is a public Layer 2. All developers have equal opportunities to create their scalable dApps. ZK EVM Type 1. Manta Pacific uses Polygon SDK to create ZK EVM Type 1, ensuring the operation of EVM on Layer 2. The Manta Network project was launched in 2020 by American developers, crypto analysts, and programmers with extensive experience in cryptocurrencies and blockchain. Initially conceived as a set of secure and user-friendly decentralized protocols with open source code, it is based on the Substrate framework. But what truly sets Manta apart is its strategic backing from top-tier crypto virtual capital funds, including Polychain Capital, the Spartan Group, Multicoin Capital, and Quimming Venture Partners. Overall, Manta raised $31.6 million in several funding rounds and $28.8 million via the public sale of Manta tokens. Let's take a look at Manta performance and its main competitors. Since its much-anticipated mainnet launch, Manta has demonstrated impressive performance metrics that speak volumes about its growing prominence in the blockchain ecosystem. With close to 900,000 addresses created on Manta Pacific, the network showcases a remarkable level of user adoption. Moreover, the tally of transactions executed on the network has soared to nearly 13 million, underscoring the increasing activity and utilization of Manta's robust infrastructure. Another significant achievement for Manta is its ascent to the ranks of the fourth largest Layer 2 solutions by total value locked. Boasting a substantial TVL of $2.3 billion, Manta outpaces its competitors in the fiercely competitive Layer 2 space, leaving platforms like Base, zkSync, and Starknet in its wake. However, Manta lags behind its competitors in several key metrics. Notably, in comparison to leading Layer 2 chains, Manta exhibits a competitively slower transaction speed. Presently, Manta's transaction per second is at approximately 0.37, trailing behind other prominent Layer 2 blockchains that boast significantly higher TPS figures. Platforms like OPBNB lead the charge with an impressive 58.5 TPS, followed by zkSync Euro with 12.1 TPS and Arbitrum with 7.5 TPS. Furthermore, Manta falls short in terms of transaction volume when compared to its competitors. Over the past 30 days, OPBNB recorded a staggering 137.1 million transactions, followed closely by ZK Sync Euro with 38.8 million transactions and Arbitrum with 23.8 million transactions. In contrast, Manta reported a relatively modest 1.28 million transactions during the same period. Let's move on and take a closer look at the Manta token. Manta is the governance token of the Manta network, which is distinguished by its high level of privacy ensured by its protocols. It's an ERC20 standard token based on the Ethereum network with a total supply of 1 billion tokens. 56 million Manta, 5.6%, was allocated to the early supporters of the network via airdrop. Now let's unravel the key features of the Manta token. Deflationary nature. With the deflationary design, the Manta token embodies scarcity, instilling confidence among holders and investors alike. Staking capabilities. Manta token holders have the power to stake their tokens, contributing to the network security and earning rewards in the process. Governance participation. Empowering token holders with a voice, Manta facilitates active participation in shaping the future of the Manta network. Collator delegation. Manta holders will the option to delegate their holdings to collators or stake their tokens to operate collators, thus bolstering the network's security posture. Network fee payment. Fueling the engine of Manta Atlantic, Manta tokens serve as the currency of choice for paying transaction fees, ensuring seamless operations across the network. Native liquidity and collateral. Within the Manta ecosystem, Manta token takes center stage as native liquidity and collateral, fostering liquidity pools and facilitating robust financial transactions. Manta surged to its all-time high post-listing before undergoing a correction phase. Presently, Manta is range-bound with resistance around $3.88 and support near $2.46, with a point of control near $3. A breakout above the resistance level could catalyze further growth for Manta, potentially leading to the new highs. However, short-term correction with the break below the support level also is a possible scenario. It's important to highlight that due to the limited historical data available for Manta, making accurate predictions about its future price movements may be challenging at this moment. What sets Manta apart is its unwavering commitment to addressing privacy concerns in the decentralized finance arena through cutting-edge technologies like zero-knowledge proofs. This forward-thinking approach not only distinguishes Manta in the market, but also underscores its dedication to safeguarding user privacy and security. Moreover, the network's multi-layered architecture comprising Manta Pacific and Manta Atlantic underscores its adaptability and scalability, catering to a wide array of technological needs and use cases. Despite these achievements, Manta Network faces notable challenges and areas for improvement, particularly in transaction speed and overall transaction volume. As competitors in the Layer 2 solution space continue to push boundaries, Manta must accelerate its pace to remain competitive. While the surge in total value locked and on-chain activity is promising, Manta must demonstrate its usability and advantages amidst stiff competition. As new entrants enter the market, Manta must assert its value proposition and solidify its position as a frontrunner in the Layer 2 space. With unwavering support from major investors and early-stage backing from reputable companies, Manta is poised for success. As the cryptocurrency landscape evolves, Manta remains steadfast in its mission to revolutionize decentralized finance and shape the future of blockchain technology. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to show us some love by smashing that like button and subscribing to our channel. See you soon!